Okay, so I'm going to attempt to install this cheap stereo. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. It's a dual from Walmart for 39 bucks. It came with two 6.5-inch speakers, two-way speakers. I purchased this because I needed two speakers for something else, and buying two speakers cost me more than buying this at a clearance price for $39. So this thing has Bluetooth, it has USB input there, has an auxiliary input, and it's going to be just fine for this. And I am going to install it right under here. It doesn't weigh much, so I'm using 3M tape just in case I ever decide I don't want it there anymore. I can just peel it right off. So the equalizer is there, sound stream. I'm going to wire this all up. And here's the wires. The ground is already located in there. So the yellow is constant power, the red is accessories, and the white is illumination. And the illumination is for the gauge. I'm going to put the bulb in there. Here it is. And again, the ground is already in the area. This is all grounded, so that's going to illuminate when I turn the lights on at night. Right along with that gauge there. And so here is where I'm going to make all my connections. I'm going to carefully run the wires over the top. And there's the fuse box. It's clearly marked. It says radio, heat, accessories. What is this over here? I can't see. Cigarette lighter. Woohoo! And tail light. So all my connections are going to go right here, just like this one here. It's just wedged in there. That's good enough. Here's the white wire. This one here is for the illumination of the Sun Pro TAC. And if you're wondering what that speaker is, this car has an alarm that talks to you. And there's the mic, because you can talk right back to it. So now this car won't start unless I say the password. It's an old alarm system from the 1980s. I don't know, mid-80s maybe. I've had it forever. No one wanted it, so I decided to use it in here. Anyway, let me get this installation started, and I'll be right back. Okay, she's all done. All wired up and ready to go. And I don't think it turned out too bad. Looks pretty good. If I can locate the keys. Here they are. I gotta show you how lucky I got. Check out the color. Alright, so the key goes in. Turn it to accessories. And it just so happened to be blue. And then let me demonstrate the light. There it is. That's with the parking lights. And the Bluetooth is connected. And that's basically all I need. And I can turn it up here. Okay, and I think that'll be all for today. Anyway, tune in for the next video. The next video, hopefully, I'll be swapping out those 6x9s and recovering that rear deck. that has tweed on it now. I'm not sure if I want to buy the same material or use the vinyl that I have. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.